This 2021 Heartland Twilight 2500 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, external shower, LP detector, slide out, self-contained, TV antenna, microwave, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Heartland Twilight 2500 is 5,852 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.